so I'm gonna do a video of my dad sleeping. He says that he doesn't snore, but me and my mom have had it already, so here's gonna, hopefully he's sleeping right now. So we're gonna walk into the room. Be quiet though. Okay, so I think that's it. Yes, it does snore, right? So, Dad, if you're seeing this, you snore, okay? Still love you though. No hard feelings. Bye.